Hey there, gaming enthusiasts! Welcome to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of game development. Today, we're comparing two titans of the game development world, Unity and Unreal Engine. Buckle up as we explore their features, strengths, and differences. Let's get started. First up, we have Unity. Known for its versatility, Unity is a powerhouse for creating both 2D and 3D games. It's beloved by indie developers and large studios alike, thanks to its user-friendly interface and extensive asset store. Games like Hollow Knight, Monument Valley, and Cuphead were brought to life using Unity. Impressive, right? Unity is particularly known for its flexibility and ability to handle a wide range of projects, from simple mobile games to complex VR experiences. Unity's key features include multi-platform support. Develop once, deploy anywhere. Unity supports over 25 platforms, from consoles to mobile devices. This makes it an excellent choice for developers looking to reach a wide audience. C# scripting. Unity uses C# for scripting, which is great for developers familiar with the language. C# is known for being a powerful yet easy-to-learn language, making it accessible to both beginners and experienced developers. Asset Store. With thousands of assets, scripts, and tools available, the Unity Asset Store can speed up your development process. Whether you're looking for 3D models, animations, or plug-and-play game mechanics, you'll find it here. VR development. Unity is a leader in VR and AR development, making it the go-to engine for immersive experiences. The engine's robust tools and compatibility with various VR and AR platforms allow developers to create cutting-edge experiences. Next, we have Unreal Engine, developed by Epic Games. Known for its stunning graphics and powerful performance, Unreal Engine is a favorite among AAA studios. Games like Fortnite, Gears of War, and Final Fantasy VII Remake showcase the capabilities of Unreal Engine. Talk about breathtaking visuals. Unreal Engine is renowned for pushing the boundaries of what's possible in game graphics and performance. Unreal Engine's standout features include Blueprint visual scripting. For those who prefer a visual approach, Unreal's Blueprint system allows you to create complex gameplay mechanics without writing code. This makes the engine more accessible to non-programmers while still offering powerful customization. Photorealistic rendering. Unreal Engine's advanced rendering capabilities deliver lifelike visuals that can immerse players in your game world. Features like real-time ray tracing and high dynamic range HDR support contribute to its cinematic quality. Built-in tools. From a powerful animation system to real-time ray tracing, Unreal has a suite of tools that make game development more efficient. The engine's tools are designed to streamline workflows and enhance productivity. Marketplace. The Unreal Marketplace offers a plethora of high-quality assets and plugins to enhance your projects. Whether you need ready-made environments, character models, or specialized tools, you'll find them here. So, how do Unity and Unreal Engine stack up against each other? Ease of use. Unity is often praised for its user-friendly interface, making it a great choice for beginners. Its comprehensive documentation and extensive community support make learning Unity relatively straightforward. Unreal, on the other hand, has a steeper learning curve, but offers powerful visual scripting through blueprints, which can be a game-changer for those who prefer not to write code. Graphics. Unreal Engine is the go-to for photorealistic graphics, while Unity excels in flexibility and performance across multiple platforms. Unreal's graphical prowess makes it ideal for high-end projects requiring cutting-edge visuals, whereas Unity's optimization capabilities make it suitable for a wide range of devices. Community and support. Both engines have strong communities and extensive documentation. However, Unity's Asset Store is a game-changer for many developers, offering a wealth of resources to accelerate development. Unreal's community is equally vibrant, with a strong emphasis on high-quality assets and tutorials. Performance. When it comes to high-end graphics and large-scale projects, Unreal Engine often leads the way. Its robust architecture and advanced rendering techniques make it suitable for AAA games. Unity, however, is renowned for its optimization across various devices, making it a preferred choice for mobile and indie games. In the end, the choice between Unity and Unreal Engine depends on your project's needs and your personal preferences. Both engines have their unique strengths and can help you create amazing games. Have you used Unity or Unreal Engine? Share your experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more game development content. Thanks for watching.